Hi, my name is Bob Cooper. I'm the business unit leader of Helium Software. It's a division of CEBA Solutions. Thanks for asking, Rick. Actually, CEBA Solutions was founded in 2006, and our core business is lab IT managed service, which is essentially we have people on the ground in labs helping with the IT side of the instrumentation, making sure that the software, the protocols, the transport, the storage of data coming off instrumentations, as well as the instruments are actually up and running. Helium is a division of CEBA Solutions, and Helium Software is actually an intellectual property that we took out of GSK and was developed by a medicinal chemist turned computer scientist. And Helium Software, the real core behind Helium is it allows scientists and researchers, etc., to simplify how they do their job. Typically it takes about 30 to 40% of their time to curate data, and with Helium Software they're able to live in whatever application they prefer to live in, be it Excel or Spotfire or any other traditional application. And by surfacing not only the processes and algorithms and functions to the users based on the type of data they're working on, but it allows them to reach out to other applications and stay within the traditional applications.
Very good. And now I know that you're going to be speaking tomorrow in a session, and what is the topic of that session?
The topic of that session really is about the fact that the simplicity that comes with staying within an application allows scientists to be that more productive. And the simplicity comes from the whole notion of context. And so what the software does is a lot like what's happening now with typical e-commerce sites, where there's suggestions, where they actually watch what you're working on and see what you're doing. So we sort of monitor what the scientists are working on, what they're entering, and given that, we'll actually surface up based on the context the different associations or functions or processes that actually could help them do their job that much quicker. The other component is the data that's actually being surfaced to them, or the processes or the functions or algorithms that are being surfaced to the users. Also, there's context there. So there's context in the relationships in the data, and there's context in the relationships to what the users are actually using. So you come away from that knowing that there's an incredible amount of power behind this very simple interface.
Now, is that live? Does that all happen at once, at the same time when you say monitoring?
Yeah, actually, as data is being either entered or copy and pasted, as you, for example, in Excel, as you click on a cell within Excel, it immediately knows what you've put in there based on some algorithmic capabilities. It knows what you've entered within that cell, and based on that, it will actually surface up, the software will actually surface up different relationships and different things they can click on and go to in order to do their job right within that application.
Wow, that's intriguing. Now, what would you like the audience to take away from your session?
And taking away from our session is if scientists and researchers and analysts start leveraging some of these new solutions that are coming out that leverage context, that allows them to almost take advantage of the consumerization of these enterprise software and also take advantage of context, they can become far more productive, far more efficient, and hopefully we can get drugs to market in a much quicker and less expensive way.
That's the name of the game. Now, last question is, what do you think of the show?
The show has been great. I've met some key executives that I've been trying to get to from Bristol Myers Squibb and Janssen and Merck and some others. So I've enjoyed being at the show, and I will certainly come back next year.